Got an Atome virtual card and wondering how to use it for your purchases? The Atome virtual card lets you use their Buy Now, Pay Later service at more places. In this guide, I'll show you how to effectively use your Atome virtual card for shopping. To use your Atome virtual card, first, ensure you have the Atome app installed and are logged in. When you're ready to make a purchase, whether online or in-store, if supported, open the Atome app and select the Virtual Card option. For online purchases, you'll typically be presented with the card details, a 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV. You'll enter these details at the merchant's checkout page, just like a regular credit or debit card. Finally, confirm the purchase within the Atome app. This will link the transaction to your Atome payment plan, splitting the cost into installments. Remember to ensure the merchant accepts virtual cards or online card payments. And there you have it. Using your Atome virtual card is simple for flexible payments. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.